안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make fish-shaped bread, Bungeo-ppang. First, the real fish is not in Bungeo-ppang, so don't worry, it's just fish-shaped. Bungeo-ppang is one of the most common winter street food in Korea. When I was in junior high, there was a Bungeo-ppang street store near the school. I went there at least twice a week because it's very cheap. It's about 20 cents each. But the sad thing is, it's getting hard to find Bungeo-ppang street store these days. Maybe because of the city maintenance. And Bungeo-ppang was derived from the similar Japanese dish, taiyaki. It was sea bream shaped. The shape was changed in Korea and it became carp-shaped bread because the carp is more familiar to Korean. When you make Bungeo-ppang, you need this mold. You can get this on Amazon.com very easily. Okay, then let's set the table. First, I'm going to make a red bean paste. It's gonna take about more than an hour, so you need a pretty long time. Wash red beans well. Soak it in water for 30 minutes. Next, boil the water and put red beans. Boil for 5 minutes and drain water to remove the bitter taste. And boil 2 liters of water again and put blanched red beans. Boil for an hour and put more water if there isn't enough. When it boils down, check if it's soft enough. Then put sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix and mash well. Let it sit for a while. During the time, let's make a batter. In a bowl, put pancake mix, milk, and egg. Mix well. Heat the pan on medium heat and coat with oil. When it's heated, reduce the heat to low. And pour batter into a half of the pan. And put red bean paste in the center. And pour the batter again. Close the lid and wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip over the pan and wait for 2 minutes again. And check if it's okay, then bake both sides until golden brown. If you don't like red bean paste or hard to buy red bean, then you can twist it. How about to put Nutella? Okay, I'm done. It's so cute. The way to eat 붕어빵 varies on depending people. I usually eat from the tail because the red bean paste is really hot, so I don't want to burn my tongue. So sweet. I need to eat more. Wow. Homemade red bean paste is so good. Very soft and sweet. And 붕어빵 goes well with milk. Especially I like the red bean paste and milk combination. And let's try Nutella 붕어빵. Wow. Wow. It's melting in here. You can imagine this taste. Pancake and Nutella. No one hates it. Today I made 붕어빵. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. And Merry Christmas. Bye. 안녕.